you want to see it work without a projector?
Yeah.
Okay. Mimio has two modes. The first mode we just saw is called interactive. That's the coolest mode, that's the bell and whistle mode, but let's face it, here in Ohio, lots of times we don't have access to projectors. Am I right?
Yes.
So, there you are again with your poor old whiteboard. Now, you know what? I'm going to put this thing under the table and put the cap on because you're not going to believe me if I leave it up there. Trust me. So, I'm just going to take care of that. Mimio was originally designed to capture notes written on a whiteboard because the gentleman who designed it was going to MIT and they were doing a lot of different things and he hated copying everything down. So he got this, they slap it on the board, and everything you write in regular dry erase marker gets captured on the screen. And then I'll put it back up on the projectors so you believe me. But so here we go. This is the other half of it. This is a Mimio pen, and it works with regular Expo markers, like the kind that you probably have in your classrooms. In fact, Rubbermaid liked Mimio so much, they went out and they bought Expo. So they work together. When you're Rubbermaid, you can do things like that. So all I do is I put the pen right into, or I put the marker right into my Mimio pen, I lock it up, and it's going to work the same way the mouse did, with the ultrasounds and the infrared. And now anything I write, even in my bad handwriting, if all goes well, should be captured on my screen. Did it work?
Yeah.
Here it is. Okay. Everybody see that? I'm going to put it back up in a moment. If I have the projector on, though, you don't believe me. So. Another cool thing you can do is, let's say I'm taking notes and I'm doing a math problem. It has a copy button. So it makes, essentially, a flip book. And records each step in the sequence. Okay? So, I'm going to erase this. I'm going to put the projector back on, and I can show you what I did for those of you in the back. Like I said, if I left the projector on, you wouldn't believe me, so here we go. Notice what I wrote on the whiteboard is now digitally on my screen. I use this a lot when I'm in class and I don't have a projector. We only have a handful of projectors in the building. I still have the Mimio. I still want to use the Mimio. So I write my chicken scratch on my dry erase board, save it, and then I put it on my website. So the kids can still get it. Other thing you can do, watch how easy this is. You can save this as a web page. All I'm going to do is, let's see, save it as 2 plus 2. Web page. Save it. What it will do is automatically write all the HTML code that you need. So now if I put it online, or if I put it on a CD, I can have my kids go back, once again going back to that Tech 10 now, and when they open it, Mimio has made a web page for me. There's my first step, my second step, my third step, and obviously my example is silly, but you get the significance of it. Imagine that if I took the recorder and said, this is how you solve a quadratic equation. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Kid has that at their fingertips. Goes back to that Tech 10, that active learning we've been talking about. Question?
So they'll be able to take your handwriting and turn it into a font?
Yes. Yes. It will do that as well. It should. That's a great question. For a while they were charging extra for it, and now they're not. But basically what you can do is you can highlight that, and it will turn it into regular text. So that you can put it into Word or whatever you